You're welcome into this section of the training. Alright, today I'll be taking you through how we actually start our photo shot, how we start our editing, how we can change the background. So in smartphone Photoshop, there are three levels. Number one is the treating of your picture, number two is the adding of effects, and number three is the background changing. Those are the three simple things you just need to know. You have to treat your picture if it's an obvious picture, then you have to add some effects on it to it, then you have to change the background. Let's look at this first picture. For instance, I downloaded all this picture from the internet, and I've done some in my previous training. So let's look at this first picture, for instance, and let's work on it. So now look at this picture. We are using in our face app. So look at this picture. Can you see how the face looks like? Yes, it looks somehow. So there's some black spots. You can see some black spots. You can see some dots on it. No problem. Then let's start our designing and let's clear off everything. Yes, by the time we start our designing, you will really know that it's actually this lady that we are designing. Alright, the first effect we use is what? Let's start our treating. Picture treating, which is the skin treating. So this is the skin. So then we look for what? As usual, we look for smooth. So there are some black spots here we don't want, so we want it to be smooth. So let me click on the smooth, and while I click on that, it's going to pop up so that what I want is that a GoPro and watch ad. No, as usual, you'll be doing it, you're going to watch ad. So just let me pause the video and watch the ad. Yeah, alright, the deed is done. Can you see that now? That we can't find any black spots anymore on this lady's face actually. So I've smoothed it with that effect now, with the same effects. Just look at that. So you can go for the lower version of the smooth. Can you see it's smooth, but there's still some spots you can still see on it. So let's leave it in the highest version, which is 5. So once you are through, I click on what? Apply. And once I click on apply, I've started my face treating. Is somebody with me? I've started what? The treating of the picture. So now that I've started the treating, so what's the next thing I'll just have to do? I'll have to start adding some impression. Let me add impression on this actually. So we have different impression. We have the Hollywood. Let me show you that of the Hollywood 2. Look at how it's going to look like. This is how it was before, this is how it is right now. But I don't like that, so I don't want to use that for this picture. Let me use the silk. So this silk is what I actually want. So let me use the silk, and I'll be pausing this video right now. Now look at it, the silk impression that I added on it. Look how beautiful it is right now. Look at how it was before and look at how it is right now. This is 4. Let me check on 3. This is 3. Are you getting it? So this is 4. So the 4, you can see the 4 is more brighter, and there are some other glows on the face using the 4. So let me leave it at 4. Then which other thing? Let's start adding some other effects. We are through with the treating. Can you see that the face is now a beautiful one right now? So let's start treating. So let me change the hair color. Let me change the hair color. Actually this hair is it's not black, so let me leave it the way it is. There's also some other effects. I have lights, we have dark, we have shiny, we have brown, we have colored, blonde, which other one? Red, transfer, tinted, a lot of effects. I getting it now. So if I click on black right now, it's going to blacken that hair. It's going to black that hair. Let's see what's going to happen. Can you see that? So you can either reduce it from here, or you increase it from here this way. Like are you getting this now? So but I don't really like the black effect, so let me use the shiny effects. Let me click on the shiny, and I know you're gonna like that. So